All right, the Ford F-150, this is a Raptor. It actually has a step that comes out. As you see, we're pulling it out right here on the tailgate right here. All right, I'm going to bring it back over here so you can see. So it comes out, and there's a step that's right there, as well as a handle for climbing up and getting into the truck bed. And I'm just going to go up and get into the truck bed right here. It's a pretty sturdy step. I'm going to use that and then climb up there, get in the truck bed. Now to get off, I'm going to hold onto the handle, and then I'm going to step on the step to get down, and then we're going to put the step back into the tailgate. It's a pretty nifty feature that we have going on right here. We're just going to lift it, and it slides. Okay, you see, I lifted it a little bit. Right, going to press that button to pull down the handlebar, and then push the handlebar inside of the tailgate, and then come over and pull up the step and push it in, and now we're able to close the tailgate like that. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.